because, and I talked to them, why are you going? And the words were, this is disgusting. Because we that is the people from the temple, I as person, right, as a resident of this city, this country, I never ever wanted this, I never want this. This kind of debate is useless, is futile.
Meaning?
Absolutely, meaning in the sense that what is happening right now is that we had an objective agenda, right? We have gone away a little bit away from that, and everybody is talking passions. Even right now, I'm a little bit talking passions, right? And we are saying that we were, my friends are saying, Persian community, which we have made a point as Indians that there is a long relationship goes then. And before the meeting, I was talking to two gentlemen, and they agreed. They said, we could have talked about it before. I can assure you that if I had a chance, personally, I can convince every single person who is Iranian, right? And he will or she will not get offended by the name change. Or if, let me put it this way, if at all again, I'm not talking about temple here, let me just talk as a community person. I can assure you that if I knew that they are going to take it as an insult or recognition that, taking away kind of feeling and not coexistence, I, as Yogi Sharma, would not be part of it. Right? And the way it is going right now is what is happening is that it is going to come down to the council to decide how many people are here, how many people spoke, what did they say. Everybody talking about children, recognition, right? Every single argument, please look at that, every single argument that my friends of this side have made are absolutely valid from the friends of this side. There is no argument, there is no emotional argument whatsoever that one community can make than the better. It's a question of somebody is a lawyer, he knows how to articulate himself. Somebody doesn't know how to articulate and they're messing up the words. That's all it is. When you talk about emotions, I would say there is no this thing going on here, right? So at the end of the day, it is an emotional matter, right? It is probably not that very rational, right? And I think we are just going this. And there is no this or no that. When we walk out of this room, one or the other party is going to get hurt. That is very, very clear. One party will say, well, we celebrate, we didn't let the name change. Other party will say, we got the name change, right? And no intention. I have talked to the people who are running the temple, people who bought the land, people who went there and worked hard, right? They have absolutely no intention whatsoever. I want to be very loud about it. No intention whatsoever to say disregard any community, and especially Persian community. It is I, as a person, feel ashamed about this, that any of those words, you are using those kind of words.
Would you mind speaking into the microphone so that we can get a record of your words?
Okay.
And I appreciate what you're trying to do.
I personally feel ashamed, and I means again, please don't include me as a part of, I volunteered my time, I'm not part of the founder or something like that, but I have respect for people who are giving their time for the temple. But at the same time, the kind of rhetoric we are hearing, that is not appropriate, right? If I as a Persian drive on the Persian drive and feel proud of it, I can equally feel proud of when it is Mandir drive. If I as a Persian, my kids are going to feel I have this name, as a Hindu, Mandir drive will give my kids equally the same pleasure. They'll say, I have been recognized. Okay. There is no difference whatsoever. There is no difference whatsoever in that. So therefore, I mean, I really don't have anything much to say except that if there can be a compromise that can be sought, and not by this voting, which might really mean something one or the other party.
Okay.
As a person, I would vote and say that you can defer this kind of discussion, right? And have some kind of compromise, because this is hurting one community or the other.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
It looks like we have a question for you.
Sure.
Councilmember Valerio.
Well, no, Mr. Mayor, with all due respect, it's not a question of you, sir, and I understand.
Then I have a question for the speaker.
Okay.
If you have a question of staff, Mr. Valerio.
Well, I have a comment question to add.
Right.
Okay. From what I'm hearing, what you're saying is that you're noting that the people who have spoken, who are from the Iranian community, who very passionately value the name Persian Drive, what you're saying is that that's a justification for why anybody would value a street name that reflects their community and their heritage.
Yeah,
And
what
what
I'm
you're saying is that
if
there's a parity there.
there is the passion that it's a question of somebody comes here and articulates, right? And I think that should not be judged that way. If people from this side of the aisle can say we are like attached and we are attached to the word Persian drive, so the people from this side can say we are attached to the temple. We talked about the Persian as a nation, everything is absolutely correct. There is no bad point made.
Then
Same point can be valid to the word Mandir Drive and things like that. It's not a point that one can debate on 1 or 2 hours and really convince and change the minds. I mean, this is like really deep rooted.
okay. Now I have another question for you, because you said that this issue came up at the last minute, and that if there was more time, the two communities could get together and work this out. Is that what you said?
Let me clarify that. Well, when I'm saying that as a person, what I'm saying is that me as an individual, again, I do not want to be quoted as the part of the temple committee, right? I as an individual, when I was volunteering my time, the first time I came to know was Thursday afternoon around 4 o'clock. When I, met Mr. Jack. When I met, Ms. Pat, like many weeks back, it was not the connotation. They said, "Oh, why do you want to change?" and all that. So we were trying to communicate our point. But that time, most of us did not know that it is a religious community which is going to say, "Oh, you are hurting us." I think that the point I want you to note, Mr. Fred, is that
you didn't want to hurt anybody.
We did not want hurt anyone whatsoever.